Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. Today I'll show you how we prepared for school as the schools reopen at the beginning of February. I really love the system over here. You can order your book list online and it delivers to your doorstep in a box. Separate boxes for each child. The kids were so excited when we got these boxes, and I was like, no, just wait, let me just check the book list. So I opened the boxes, checked if I received everything. I checked for the files, for the books, for the stationery. I checked if they had given us everything and if anything was missing. I referred it to the book list and everything was there. I love this system. You just order it and you get everything boxed up. Next, I took out all the books and textbooks as I wanted to cover them. I didn't take out any stationery as it needed to be labeled. So I counted the books and figured out how many adhesive covers I need and then made the list of all the things that we needed to buy. So next day we headed out to do all the school shopping. We got some slushies and man, I really like the print on this. Look, it looks so cool. Oh, and this one tastes so bad. Never will I ever get this one again. We also got some donuts from Krispy Kreme. I love these Nutella donuts. These are a hot favorite. So after fueling up our souls, we went to Rebel, the sports shop, our first and foremost shop for shoe shopping. They had some good back to school collection. I spotted this one. It was so cute. Just stick to your list. No splurging, Maha, I thought. So anyways, we selected the shoes, checked the size and got a new pair for both of them. If you're a desi parent like us, this is how we check if the shoe fits properly or not. Who else checks like this? Anyways, when we were heading out, we saw the bags. Now, I am usually not in favor of buying expensive bags as the kids usually tear them within half an year. But my hubby poached on it and said, let's buy these and see how long they last. It did have a 1-year warranty on it, so I thought sure, why not? So we headed to the counter and paid for the things while the kids found this word search they had up front. Cool activity to keep kids busy while the parents pay up. So here are the bags we got. Both are Under Armour and costed $65. They are pretty sturdy and have loads of compartments. Finger crossed, hope they last long. And here are the school shoes they chose. Hopefully they'll lace them up by themselves every morning. We also got these self-adhesive covers, some Sharpies and labels for the books. Time to tick off a few things from the list. So satisfying. Next day I sat and I covered all the exercise books and scrapbooks. This is what I usually do. I first cut them up and press them under heavy books so they straighten up. Then I cover them all together. Makes the process quicker. I nearly covered 50 books that day and this is half the mess I made. I picked up the other half, or else I'd be drowning in all this paper. Next, it was dinner time, and I made 4 pizzas within an hour. To accomplish this, everything I used was store bought. I usually have these things in the fridge or freezer, so it's no hassle, and I can quickly whip up some pizzas. I used this Community & Co pizza base from IGA, and we had some leftover Nando's chicken, so I used that. The key is to do it all together. Put all pizza bases in an assembly line and do them all together. Add the pizza sauce, then some cheese, then chicken, and then add all the other toppings you want. For the first time in my life, I added some pickled jalapenos in these pizzas. I had no idea how it would turn out, but it was good. No one seemed to notice it. Have you tried them on pizza yet? I did all the toppings and started baking them. Well, here's it's all done. As soon as they were coming out of the oven, my family was gobbling it up. So I don't have a pic of all 4 pizzas together, but believe me, they were done in 1 hour. I hope you loved this vlog as much as I loved making it. Please keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching and bye for now.